वेलकम टू माय चैनल। कैसे हो आप सभी लोग। आज हमारी एक नई वीडियो बनाने वाले हैं हम। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू मेक a app through coding, and it will be very easy. We'll make it through blocks, not by typing, as I am making this for beginners and also for advanced coding, those who are doing. And you can also do it in text. I'll show you further how to do it. So in this video we'll make a app. I have named the app crossing the road. Crossing the road, you can also change the name. I will tell you that afterwards. uh, I will tell you how that games work out after you code properly. See, when I will click on start button, you can see three obstacles, and this, when you will go on this bars obstacle, you will go one step back. Means if you are trying to go front, you will get out by the cart. If you hit the cart, you will get out. If you get hitten by the bus, or sorry, the truck, you will get out. Or if you get hitten by the motorcycle, you get out. And shift is used to, or the boost here is used to remove these bars. See, now the bars are removed. In phone we can play by these buttons. So these buttons also work, you can see. Shift button, bars have gone. And if you hit also a motorcycle, your game is, after 3 lives have gone, your game is over. Now we'll start with making the game. I have chosen the return method, but as uh, block method is much easier. You can see first var. I have taken the command var means variables. You can take them from the fourth option, variable. Under that, some other, take the first and drag and drop here. Same for other. Variable means, many of you know variable, we write in maths x equal to 100, so x will be a variable for 100. Here move count we made 0, lives equal to 3, lives equal to 3, player step size equal to 20. 20 by 20 according to the size of the phone. When we will reset, why it is used 20, you can see x axis, y axis. When we go up, y axis is increasing, because this is y axis and this is x axis. So per move 20 towards y axis it should move. So but just making the variable, the game will not work. It should be made properly further. So these variables are used here. Bonus item is used in, when you play some bonus will come. A boost is also there, as I have shown you. Set position is used to set the position of something. Means I have right button where you want 215 215 minus 215x and minus 215y. Where is right button? This. Then minus 200 position left button, then up button, then boost button. These are for setting the position of that buttons. But we have to write this when we make the button from here. When we go to design and take this drag and drop here, we can make a button, and that id is the main. When we so, but you can remove this also, so it will be automatically deleted. Now if is used to show possibility what should happen when you do, when something will happen. Means if you hit the road, if you hit the cart, if you hit the motorcycle, you will get out, like this. On event means what will happen when you click or do something according the command is given. Means when you click on the game screen, when you click on this game screen, the right button, left button, this set the position I said, they should appear by clicking on game screen. On event game screen, when we click. Now on event, what should on event mean, when we'll click on up button, when we'll click, it should go up. When we click on left button, it should go left. it should go left. Then for right button, when we click it, don't change this. When you will, if you change, then you will, when you do this key up, and you will reset and run. Start. Left button, where is, it will not work, because now it is what given key up. So when you will do on pressing on key in keyboard, when you will click on the upper arrow key, see, now it is not working properly. See, when you click on up, it will go left also. See, it is going front and left, because for upper key the command is given going up, but now we have done for left also, so it is first going up then left. You don't have to change this, you should make it to click. Then now what will happen is it will go properly, it will go proper. So what means that in coding a single letter should not be here and there. If I write here T and now I run it, it will run, because it is variable, it will not make so much of difference. But see, now here variable I have done, not variable, I'll give you another example. See here, player y is given, I have taken the y, I will make them 2 again, otherwise it will make an issue afterwards. Now see, I will reset it, I will run. What it is showing, warning 7th line. Why it is showing? Because it is the link, the this on, see, it is showing red on. Why? Because it has become player. What it should be? Y player. Now you see the game will run properly. Now see, it is working properly, means a single letter in coding goes here and there, the game will not run at all, not a single. So, and no need of writing these comments like this black gray. If you remove this also, no, nothing will happen. If you remove this gray, they are for understanding, I have made them. If you remove this and throw this here, see, reset, play, nothing will happen, because they are comments just for your understanding. I have written. If you write, don't write, it doesn't make any difference. Or you write them wrong, or don't make them, I suggest don't make them only. Then here function is given, player movement. What should how should be the player movement? It should be properly, it should go, when you click on up key, it should go up. By how much distance it should go up, that is given. And here set position again, where this position should be obstacle 1 where it should be, 2 where it should be, and 3 where it should be. And this confirms that have we clicked on the buttons here, have we clicked, and if we have clicked, it should execute the function as soon as possible. And this checks that if you are touching the bonus, means if you touch when you go further in this game, I'll show you. I have used one bonus, so when I will pick one more bonus, now I have to be careful, otherwise I will get out. Bonus is not coming, as it is randomly fixed. It is not fixed that bonus should come now, or bonus should come now, bonus should come after every 1 level, 2 level. It is coming randomly, which makes it interesting that bonus will come now, then, but it doesn't come properly. If you want it, you can change that, but I suggest not change that, because that setting is proper. Here the bonus is not coming, Now see, you can see the heart bonus has come. When we go on that heart bonus, you have seen that one heart has increased. Why it has increased? Because it here we have given the correct command that what should happen when we go on bonus. Now see, you can see again. Now see, as the level increases, the speed of it goes high and high. See, one more bonus is there. See, it has increased by one. And now on event one, now it down. And it is given, the you can see the enemies are the obstacles are moving. For the obstacles to move, this command should be compulsory, otherwise they will be stuck at one place. They will not go anywhere. This should be made of, the game will not work. It will not work because this also contains some main functions of functions for the coding in this game. And I already said you that the game should be random, not that every 2 level or every 3 level something is coming. So random, the obstacle should be, sometimes it is down up, the position should be random, not at fixed place. And why you can see the number of this is increasing as the level is increasing. As we complete our level one by one, the level of hardness also increases. Now you can see 9 level, it is more hard. See, it is going faster and faster. Now the game is over. Now you can see function get colors. What should be the colors of the of the player that we are moving, of the obstacles, of the bars? So everything here I have done randomly. And this is in mobiles, you can see that we are sorry, here it checks the collision, that we have collided to the obstacle or not. And if we have collided, we should have lost our one life, or we have collided to the bar, we should go back by one step. And here used, and this in x axis, y axis, these are used. And decrease life means when should life go one by one down, one by one down, one by one down, one by one down. And when will this win image, smile image, game over screen, win image come? When you will complete the levels made in this, total levels. I also don't know total levels how many I have made. And if life goes 0, what should happen? Variable if becomes 0, the game should be over. Game over screen should come. Game over screen should come. Now here again the obstacle collision, one more. It should be there. Retry button. What should happen when we click on retry button? The life should become 3 again. Boost count should become 3 again. The life speed increase should not be there. The all boost should become, all elements should come again. The text should again also come. That score, number, level, move count, everything should come. And don't worry that if you have loosened any of the codes, I have given the link in the description box. you can easily go and just click on the link. When you will click on the link, you will see that first only the game is there. Then here there will be three options: view code, uh, and more two options are there. So click on view code, and when we will click on view code, you will see that here this will be written and this will be not written, only remix will be written, and here sign in will be written. So if you want to do make changes or make your own app, click on sign in, and there will be an don't have account, then create account, and then sign in, and then remix here. Then you will be able to make changes and then make your own app. And you can also make it as text. When you will drag and drop here, it will be automatically converted into text. See, automatically it is converted into text, but in text you have to make every, even a colon is not there. See, it is wait, see here, if this even if this even if you have not written this, when you will minus, see, all reds have come, and also the game will not work. The game is not starting, only you can see. So each and every should be there in writing the text. See, now it has, now it is okay. Now when I will run, it will work properly. And I have also told the website, this is code.org website. You can easily code here for free, and it is easier to code here online. If you go by this Android Studio, which is offline, it is more harder there to code. It is very advanced coding. You need very advanced to be very advanced, and for that you have to make very changes. It will take 2 to 3 days to make up uh, Android Studio. First you have to download it, then you have to make a mobile phone in that by AVD manager. And if you have not made the mobile your game, if you have made also, it will not work, or APK will not be created. So Android Studio is not a better option, and it is very big also. The files in it, by making, when you make it becomes very big. So this is better option. So thank you. Do subscribe my channel, like and share amongst your friends, so that every of your friends should get the fun of coding. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.